There are carpenter ants living with fire ants. That's pretty cool. Leland cypress right here. And I like the way the grain looks. First thing to do is to trim it to fit on the sawmill. That's some real pretty grain there. A lot of carpenter ants. Kind of feel like this crack's going to open up. But I think I'll flip it over. There are carpenter ants living with fire ants. That's pretty cool. I'm not a murderous bastard, so I'm going to let them run out for a minute. They're going to crack. Those slabs are right there, probably because of the joint. Give them a second to dissipate into the rest of my log yard and ruin all my trees. But yeah, it's a lot. I don't want to cut a bunch of carpenter ants in half. But I got some good ones. The color is starting to change almost immediately. It's getting darker. So we'll see. All right, I'm gonna go lay these out. Just see what they look good. Hose down. Get all that sawdust off and show the grain. You're doing good, honey. You're doing good. So this is what it looks like wetted down. And you can see the grain, good grain. We'll see if it gets darker. I always was told it gets darker as it sits out. It looks beautiful. I don't know, we'll see. I think this is probably my favorite piece because it's got a little bit of spalting and a little bit of craziness in there. That looks really neat. Good job. This one's good too, right here. Got some good color. These two will probably end up breaking. I think I have one over there broke too. They're real gentle. You gotta be real fragile around the crotch. So yeah, those probably need to be reinforced with a dovetail or resin. But beautiful pieces. All right, guys, we're in the flatbed. I took off the log standard. We're going to get a dump bed, and I've had a great success in flipping dump beds. This guy wants one to sell it for $800. The catch is I only got like 2 hours because my wife has to go to work, and I was up early browsing Marketplace and saw this and said, hey, I bought some stuff from that guy before. Let me message him. All right, here we go. I've done this once before, and this driveway is crazy. But I love his gates. It's like I-beams. It's a long driveway, and the guy's kind of a hermit. He's got a bad rating on Marketplace, mostly because he's a little grouchy, and I get it. You know, you get these messages, is it available, is it available? Or you don't respond in time, why didn't you respond to me? You know, type situation when you sell on Marketplace, and you got to be really attentive to these people, and I just don't really like, you know, I understand why he's got a bad rating, let's just say that. He built this little house out of brick, but he didn't get any permits, and so they're kind of, you know, giving him some trouble. He just ran power from that trailer, and he built a nice house. I'm gonna tell you, it's a nice house. He's got a lot of square bodies. You gotta love the square bodies, you know. There's one right there. It's a fancy truck. Let's see, I think he's got the dump truck over there. I need to go over that way. So yeah, he's got a little bit of everything. I don't know if he wants me filming, so I'm gonna, let's see where he is. S10s, he's got a lot of S10s. I love S10s. Yeah. There he is working on an old square body right there. He's a runner. Beautiful. What does that truck have in it?
The 8.2 diesel.
Okay. That's a good engine. Oh, it's automatic? Wow.
Might need to adjust the tailgate a little bit.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. That works. I don't know if I'd rebuild that cylinder or just keep using it.
Yeah, it looks bad when it's leaking, but
that thing goes all the way up.
I don't have to put that much oil in it. I mean, I don't use it much around here, but it's probably been a year since I put the oil in it.
Where do you put the oil in?
I put this over here because it's
keep dirt out.
Get dirt out. It's supposed to have a little gap on there, but that's where the oil reservoir is.
Shoot, I'll take it.
Awesome.
I think that was just a spark. That'll be alright. Hell, that thing makes short work of it. Was that air? Yeah, that must be airline. Oh, there you go. This one. There's a little bit of heat on it. You got electrical tape? I'll hold it. You go get electrical tape. Yeah. That bolt back here, bolt. Yeah. Higher. Yeah, we need about a foot. See if you can go higher. Keep going. Keep going. Keep. There we go. She free. She free. Want me to back underneath her? We try back under it. I'd probably get like right there. Oh. We'll try it. Check all my straps again. That one's good. He's giving me a chain, which is nice. That one's good. This chain's free. I might need to take that off, or it might be fine. It's good. It's good. DOT ain't gonna like those cribbins, but I think I'll be all right. Oh, goodness. Got the bed offloaded. Got it lifted up so it doesn't damage the PTO pump. And also it's at tilt so water will just flow right out of it. She's a little beat up, but structurally she's good. A little alligator, but it's a big boy. It's a big boy. Oh yeah. Fontaine with cat protector. Fontaine. Here's the last load of logs. I'm going to stack them over here. Just get them off the truck because there are some more logs I need to get. Kind of cold today. Hopefully Skitzer will start because it suddenly went cold today. So yeah, set it up on my little tripod and film it. Time to go get gas. It's on empty. And she's a dual tank and she takes 42 gallons. Got a lot of gas.